How you doing, guys? And welcome back. And today is gonna be a fun show. Well, at least for me, because I'm actually going on with the ladies, Olguita and Gabby, on the jet skis. So guess what? Olguita is driving one, and I'm driving the other one, and Gabby's coming along as a passenger. So you guessed it, it's gonna be entertaining watching Olguita drive the jet ski.
Okay. Now, okay. Let go of the gas.
So I had to give Olguita a quick crash course in how to drive the jet ski, because these new ones are a little bit different than the ones we used to have. These ones are more electronic and more buttons to touch than the other ones. But Olguita's a very smart woman, and she got the hang of it really quick.
Let's go with the show. Hang it out, wow. Little jet skiing day today. I don't know. It's gonna be Olguita's first time in a long time driving a jet ski, so we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. And Gabby, she prefers jet skiing more than the boat. Can you believe that? She actually likes more tubing and jet skiing than riding on the boat. She says she gets bored on the boat. I guess she's just real sick of it, like her dad.
So here we go. We're coming out of the idle channel into the normal operating speed. Now we're gonna head down south, but the direction, we don't know, because it is late in the day and Gabby wanted to take a ski ride. So I had to please her. You know, you can't say no to your kids, especially doing something we both love. And definitely noticing something different right away on the ride compared to the older skis to the newer skis. It's a much drier ride, and that's definitely a plus for days like this. That's a little chilly. And if you're wondering what's chilly for me, well, right now it's 81 degrees. But the water, I say, is about 76, 74. And yep, you see Olguita now by herself because Gabby decided to join me because Olguita was driving too slow. And Gabby says she likes to feel the speed on the water. So I told her, you better hold on, because as soon as we get out of the idle zone, we're gonna go fast. Gabby wants some speed, I'm gonna give her some speed, but look at this, Olguita wasn't staying far behind.
Just got to the feel.
No, it's so good.
How does the speed feel?
Oh,
She was doing 150 and a 30.
No, I think I was I think I was like 60 something.
Yeah, that's fun. She was riding the FX. And I was chilling in the GP.
I was jumping waves.
You were jumping waves? So normally this area here is pretty flat, but today I guess all the boats in the water is kind of wavy.
I need better goggles.
You need better goggles?
Yeah, these were wet inside when you give them to me.
Well, you're not supposed to get wet while you're going 100. All right, so we're gonna head back with just a little cruise, so Gabby can enjoy it here at the west side. What kind of tan you got, girl? Oh my goodness, you got a farmer's shorts tan.
Like I wasn't supposed to get. Oh my God, look how red in the back.
What is that? Oh, from the rash? What is that, from the ski? From the seats? Yeah.
Sunblock.
Sunblock is in the thing here.
Maybe it's a sign.
So you like it, the skis? Cool colors, right? Pretty neat. Liking it. We got plenty of water to ride here. Look at this. This is just inside the bay. So what? You got on?
Yeah, I'm trying to get on.
Ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go with the show. Oh, you got a can on your thing there, so it doesn't fly out. She needs that Red Bull for that energy. You got plenty of energy, right? We don't need that. She leaving. It's time to go with the show. Okay, what do you like the most? Oh, the reverse?
Like, stop and reverse.
You like the stop and reverse?
Take the soap off.
And she's gonna wet me. There he goes. She went down wetting me with the tail. All right, I got the little munchkin riding with me because she likes that speed. She likes to do 100. Time to hit the road. Both. All right, so let me ask you, you like going fast or slow?
Fast.
Oh, she likes doing 100, man. Ovita likes going slow and Gaby likes going fast. I guess you go drive through there until we get back to the Idaho.
Alright, so you already know me, I always try to get good angles, but this jet ski and camera thing is very challenging, especially keeping the camera away from the water so it doesn't splash the lens. Well, I'm going to share with you guys a comment that I got from one of my fellow boaters, and it said this: I don't like jet skiers, why did you buy 2 jet skis? And the thing is this: not all jet skiers are the same, and not all boaters are the same. There are good and bad ones in both worlds. But me personally, why I got jet skis? They are very convenient to use and you feel closer to the water, especially in the hot summer days here in Florida. And talking about hot, there goes Ogita flying by us. And also what makes it really difficult is trying to hold the camera at a high speed. But now we're going by a local favorite island here, Picnic Island.
Yeah, you see that gray area? That means the water's low, so you gotta go slow through there. Just there, just hanging out, watching the sunset.
Wait, how they gonna go inside?
Huh?
How they go inside?
Who?
The boats, how they inside?
Okay, go this way, go this way, go this way, go this way. Stop. You got stuck in a sandbar. No, we're going forward. All right, so we went too close to the shallow area, and I don't want to suck up any sand, so we're gonna push the skister. Why are you pushing? Why are you pushing? Why are you pushing from the back? Look at that. The mother on the ski making the little girl push all the work. Look at that. Making her Gaby do all the work.
Where we go?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty low here.
Okay guys, so if you're thinking about passing by Picnic Island, be careful with the northwest side of the island. It's shallow there.
Nah, I think that's good. We're good, yeah. Just don't go fast, go slow. No.
And finally we made it to the deep channel, and it's time to go back to cruising speed. But look at Ogita, she's at it again. She's going full throttle, and I guess when she does, she never looks back. And I want you guys to answer an honest question: how many people thought Ogita was a slow driver on the jet ski when the video started? Leave it in the comments. And at the speed that we were traveling, because Ogita decided to go fast, we made it back to the miserable mile in no time at all. And in case you're planning to buy a jet ski in the future, well, remember, you have to go back to port, the boat ramp, or to your house on the water before sunset, because you're not allowed to drive at night on the water with a jet ski. And the most important, respect all idle zones and manatee zones, and no wake zones. And I guess it's the only way Ogita goes slow.
Imagine Mom, imagine Joel and me, and you're like,
What's that big total? Got that big total over there. You got big one outside. You got money. Hey, she takes off. Going fast.
Look.
Well guys, there you have it. The camera is really shaky when we start going fast. That's why most of the riding we did, I didn't record it, because I knew it wasn't gonna come out good. But look at this, Ogita's back on the throttle again. Boy, she really likes going fast. I guess she wasn't kidding when I used to have my fast close decks doing 97 miles an hour, and she really enjoyed the ride, and I thought she was joking. Well, and the high speed is over because we just reached the idle zone channel and we're working our way back to the boat ramp. And now the question I'm asking myself is, if we decide to do island exploring with the jet skis, how is Ogita gonna bring all the shells back? And here comes the fun part, the one everybody likes, well, most people, and it's called cleaning your equipment. And most people call it a lot of work, but if you're a true water lover, this is part of the love, because if you love playing in the water and your equipment, you have to take care of it very good to last you for a very long time. And flushing and cleaning is very important, and definitely it's very important, especially if you do your water activities in salt water like we do. And like most boat owners, yep, I get stuck cleaning it by myself. But it's okay. The fun was worth it. And the way I like to clean mine is I make sure I drench the whole ski, especially the outside and the trailer. But in the inside, I'm a little more careful. I try to not to wet so much the electrical components. And I let the fresh water run through the engine anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes. And like I say, every good story has its ending, and this one's about to finish. But don't go away, because we're gonna start another one right back up tomorrow, because we're taking the jet skis to the Florida Keys and to a friend's house. Actually, a beautiful house that you guys are gonna love as much as we did, and we had a great time there. So stay tuned for some more fun in the sun. And remember, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And I'll see you guys next time out on the water.